Hi friends, Chess the Carpenter here. I want to talk to you about roasting coffee, roasting your own coffee in your home. Green coffee beans, there's a little bag of them, costs from a half to a third of designer roast coffees. So all we need is a pan and a hot stove. This has the power burner. High heat is what we're after. Just dump your green beans in your pot. Now it'll take a while for them to heat up and for what they like to call the first crack. But I will condense this video down. But I can tell you that the entire process takes no more than 12 or 15 minutes. Okay, our beans have started to crack, to roast. And they're smoking, and that's part of the fun. Just need to keep them moving. Maybe dial the heat down a little bit. But you know, we're just burning beans. A controlled burn, as it were. It can be easy to overthink this stuff and run out and buy a $400 coffee roaster, and there's no need for it. All you need is a pot and heat. Hear the crack? You can hear them cracking. The first crack. Need to keep them moving. See, we started. We're roasting coffee. How great is that? And the entire house smells like roast coffee. It's fabulous. Just keep it moving. That's the main thing. And decide on your roast. Like this would now probably be called a medium roast. I like a French roast, a full city, they like to call it. Just keep them moving. Oh, imagine that. The smoke alarm. One moment. And the pan gets hot. Yeah, it gets a little smoky. Well, we're roasting. We're roasting coffee. Now look at that. There's like a French roast, all right? Getting pretty dark. If you want to burn them to a cinder for an Italian, that's good. I'm going to call that my full city right there. And let them coast. See all those beautiful oils that come out. It's just fabulous. And I guarantee you have never tasted a fresher cup of coffee than when you roast your own beans at home. Bar none. You can go down to the snottiest bistro coffee roaster in town, and I know they're good, some of them are really good. Got a little strung out on the coffee shops in Portland. This, my friends, is 200 times more flavorful than anything in the store. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. And it's fun. Burning coffee beans. Yeah. Look at that. I'm going to grind some and brew it right now. Right in the French press, because I like my coffee to have some bones. Another thing I learned recently is not boiling water. Just around 200, 190 ideally. So we'll let that sit 3 or 4 minutes. Don't forget to watch how to make your own cinnamon rolls to go with your own coffee. So with our French press, give it a press and enjoy your home crafted coffee. Along with those cinnamon rolls that we made. Breakfast fit for a king. Enjoy, everyone. This is Chance Carpenter. Thanks for watching.